Alright, here's kind of a unusual story. Anyway, toddler dies after pet attack. A 1-year-old boy has died after being attacked by a dog at his grandparents' home. Police said the boy was in the yard of the home in Wakefield on Friday afternoon when he was attacked by the pet Rottweiler. He was taken to the hospital with serious injuries but later died. The dog was destroyed at the scene to keep other people safe. It's important to remember that attacks like this are very unusual. And it says, dog attacks are rare, says experts. He said the boy was staying with his grandparents during the Christmas holidays. Here's where it gets kind of fishy. Mr. Payne said the boy's aunt, age 16, was caring for him, 2 girls, aged 6 and 7. So a 16-year-old was taking care of a 1-year-old, a 6-year-old, and a 7-year-old. The 16-year-old went upstairs when the 7-year-old carried the baby outside to stroke the dog, a 2.5-year-old female, which the family had owned for about 6 months. Without any warning, the dog attacked the baby. The 16-year-old tried to rescue the baby but was unable to do so despite striking the dog. The boy's family are now receiving support from specially trained officers, which is like, CISD or something like that. So, yeah, a 16-year-old went upstairs and a 7-year-old took the 1-year-old out to pet the baby, or to pet the dog. So that raises a flag. Another flag right here. Dog attacks are rare, says experts. So, yeah. I don't know. Go figure.